Ahead.
My name is Patty Gordell. I'm the homeowner here at 819 Drummond Drive, and rebuilding together has been since January. Doing things in this neighborhood, they've leveled my foundation, painted the exterior, trimmed my trees, installed new central heat and air. Today they are out just beautifying everything, putting mulch and planting spring flowers and putting grass and shrubs and things that are just going to make this neighborhood, I think, phenomenal. It's a good, quiet neighborhood, and I think most of the people here, while we're not real close, we always are at least aware of what's going on. We try to watch out for each other, most of us, and help each other. What it's meant, I think, is just going to revitalize the whole neighborhood. I think it's just things that we would have done if we could have done. We're not destitute, and yet we can't do extras. We can survive and we can do okay with what we have, but we can't afford the extra things. And I actually love the idea that they're coming in here before it becomes a slum and bringing it back up, rather than waiting until it's just totally ready to be bulldozed and have to rebuild from the start. So the Rebuilding Together organization is not an organization I'd ever heard of, and I am so grateful to them, and actually want to join them on their next project as a volunteer and do what I can do. I'm a little limited on what I can do, but I'll go play with them anytime. The volunteers are fantastic. They come out here with happy hearts and helping hands and just work. And always with a smile on their face. That one too, Miss Maggie. It's okay. Thank you.